A closed rewarded play support ticket does not always mean your issue is resolved, because the ticket status only shows the current state of your support request. By the end, you'll know why a rewarded play ticket may close without a solution, what steps to take next, and how to contact support more effectively. The first thing to check is the response inside the closed ticket. A ticket can be marked closed after support sends a reply, requests more information, or completes their review. Open the ticket history and read the full conversation before creating a new request. The answer may already be included in the previous messages. If your problem is still not fixed, collect the details before contacting support again. Include your account information, the issue you experienced, what happened before the problem started, and any screenshots that show the problem. Clear details make it easier for support to understand what needs to be checked. The second section is avoiding repeated or incomplete requests. Creating multiple tickets for the same issue can make it harder to track the conversation. Use your existing ticket information when possible. If you need to submit another request, explain that your previous ticket was closed, and provide the original ticket details. The third section is checking common account-related issues. If your concern involves missing rewards, game progress, or account activity, include the specific offer or task name, and describe what step was completed. For example, instead of saying "my reward is missing," explain which reward you expected, what action you completed, and when you completed it. You should also verify that the app is updated and that your account details are correct before submitting another support request. Technical problems can sometimes come from outdated apps, connection issues, or incorrect account information. If you do not receive the help you need after following up, keep your communication organized. Save ticket numbers, support replies, and any evidence related to the issue. To summarize, a closed rewarded play support ticket does not automatically mean your problem is solved. Check the original response. Provide complete details, and follow up with clear information if the issue continues. Your next step is to reopen the conversation with the details support needs instead of submitting a short message with no context. If this guide helped you fix a rewarded play support issue, like the video and subscribe for more app troubleshooting guides.